Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 13th March 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is just showing 14 points down move at the level of 11,318. So you have probably remembered yesterday I was talking about the market showing the level of 11,200-ish levels. However, today it is at 11,318 because yesterday was a great day for Indian markets. So did SGX Nifty soar. So US markets have done pretty okay for itself. 96 points down on Dow Jones, 32 points up on Nasdaq and 8 points up on S&P. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets may open flat to green in today's pre-open and open session. Yesterday market has done pretty great for itself. It went all the way above, it took out all the bounce and opened above the level of 11,171, which I was talking about, the resistance level. It opened more above everything, so it opened above 11,200 as well. You can see that the open itself was 11,231, where the level of resistance was 11,171. So the next level of resistance is around the level of 11,354 levels. So we have to watch out for that. So let's see what the Indian markets has to offer in today's session. Probably it may take this level as well, that is 11,354 levels. So if that is bad, then the next levels we have to watch out for are 11,500 itself. So what are the resistances we have to watch out for in today's session? So the first level of resistance we have to watch is 11,354, and above that is 11,400, which is a psychological resistance, and above that 11,440 and 11,471 levels are the levels we have to watch out for. Above that 11,500 is a very strong psychological resistance where the Indian markets has stopped at that particular time and that particular level and went down. So above that we have to watch out for is 11,530 levels and 11,588 levels. The next level is 11,615 levels. So those are the levels of resistance we have to watch out for. What are the supports we have to watch out for? Ample amounts of support here. The 11,255 levels is a strong support for the market, and below that 11,210, 11,200, 11,177 will be very strong support for the market now. And the next level of support comes at 11,060, 11,168, and below that 11,150, 11,100, 11,087 are the levels of support we have to watch out for. And MACD is showing that we are exuberantly high in momentum as of now. So it is showing 87 points up move in MACD, whereas exponential is just at the level of 30. So we are exuberantly high on momentum. And slow stochastic is still denoting we are in a overbought zone, that is at the level of 94. However, we are still not seeing any downturns as such because of the pre-election rally which is happening. And above that 94.78 is the fast stochastic. We are still in an overbought zone as per fast stochastic. So that means that both slow stochastic and fast stochastic is denoting that there is a slight downfall possible from this particular level. Let's look at technical analysis in the way it just shows. So let's go for it and see what is up in markets in today's session. Having said that, this is the technical knowledge for today. If you want all this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. Next week I am taking a session where I'll teach you 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.
And now I know